Now we're going to start with the facial. I've just rinsed my face after washing it with the Gentle Cleanse and Tone, and just rinsed it off with water, dried my face. The first step we're going to do is a lymph draining, and you're going to be using this head, the body conductor head. You clasp it on with a little clip nozzle on the back, aiming it with the front of the machine right here. You should clip on just like so. And this is the front with the logo. The back is the conductor, and the galvanic current requires you to use your own body's electricity to produce the galvanic current through the machine. So the conductor needs to stay wet. I've just wet a cotton pad with just water, keep it quite damp, and I keep it on the back there so that it is wet. If this works for you, great. If not, you could just make sure that your fingers are wet while you're doing your facial. So now we're going to apply some gel, and we're going to be using the body shaping gel. The machine's not on, I'm just going to apply, and the gel is clear. I'm going to apply the gel all the way from underneath your eye, up your cheek, side of your nose, your chin. Could be a little bit generous with this gel as well. The more gel you have on, the more effective it's going to be. Down the side of your neck, back of your ear, okay, now that you have a nice layer on the side of your face and neck that you're going to do, you can turn the machine on to setting 4, and setting 4 is already a preset for 5 minutes. I'm going to touch. When you hear the beep, it means that the machine is on. The machine is going to analyze your skin and let you know how strong of a current it needs to produce. So first we're going to apply pressure to 7 pressure points on your face. The first one is at the collarbone, right here into the collarbone, and when you hear 2 beeps, that was already 2 beeps, so I'm going to move. The first one again is your collarbone right here, and the little space in right here. The second one, we're going to move up to the side of the nose, and again 2 beeps. It's already preset to beep every 10 seconds. That was 2 beeps, and we're going to move to the third spot. Is going to be right on your ear, right here on the soft part of the ear. Two beeps, and we're going to move around to the back of the ear. You can see right here. And we open up the 7 pressure points because it makes the lymph draining a lot more effective, and as well as your facial as well. That was 2 beeps. And the 5th one is going to be right here in the soft part, right behind your earlobe, right here. There's going to be a soft part. You can apply a little bit more pressure here. Again, every spot you should wait out 2 beeps. That was 2 beeps. And the 6th one is going to be right on your jawline right here, where the meat is, not where the bone is. The bone is a little slippery, so right where the meat is right here. Two beeps, and then the last one is right on your chin, and you're going to go vertical right on the center of your chin. And that's all 7 pressure points. Now we're going to start the lymph draining. So you're going to go in an upward motion down your face, and then to the back of the neck, and then in a downward motion. So again, you're going to go up and down the back of your neck. It's going to give you a lot more contouring in your face. It's going to depuff your face, all the eye bags, puffiness. So the machine needs to be in contact with skin in order for the galvanic current to be produced. Once the machine has been removed from any skin substance, the machine will turn off. So try to keep the machine in contact with your skin, but try to apply pressure only in the upward motion on the face and only in the downward motion. So we're going to apply pressure going down and just light pressure coming up. Pressure going down and light pressure coming up. At any point where you feel like the gel has been absorbed, you can apply more. Just try not to take too much time to do this, as the machine needs to be touching in contact with skin in order for the machine to stay on. If the machine does turn off, it's okay. You can just start the machine again, but you would have to start your 5-minute cycle all over again. It does give you a little bit of a buffer time to come away from the skin. As you can see, the machine will start to blink. So that's the first indicator, which is telling you that it has lost contact. So again, we're going to apply pressure going up and a pressure coming down. Apply pressure coming up and a pressure coming down. So there's a really big lymph node running down the back of your neck, and that's where we're going to focus on. We're going to get rid of all the toxins that are blocking that lymph node. Right underneath the eye bag, up to the temple, and down. So that long beep indicates that your 5-minute session is finished. And I just want to show you the gel. The gel originally was clear, transparent, I should say. And after a 5-minute cycle, it has turned milky, which means that it has pulled out the toxins from my face and the toxins from my lymph nodes. And this is an indicator that this is all the toxins that is pulled out. And we don't want that, so I usually just rinse it away. So what you would do at this point is turn off the machine, remove your head from the back, push it, the conductor will come off, rinse it with just warm water, no need to use any soap, and I would do the same step for the my second half of my face, and I will be right back.